Hey guys, my name is Tarun and you're watching Innovation Begins. In this video, we are going to demonstrate wireless robotic car using a MATLAB software. We are using a MATLAB based GUI graphical user interface to control the movement of the robotic car. Make sure you watch the entire video and do subscribe our channel. Let's begin. This is a robotic car which could be controlling by the MATLAB software. Here is the MATLAB software, here is the transmitter, here is the receiver. Okay, so let us run the MATLAB software. I'm just running the software that you can see. It is attempting the connection to the Arduino. Where this is an Arduino. Okay, I just fixed to the breadboard, and you can see whether it is after getting connection. It will be saying that it will be opening the GUI of an MATLAB software. So you can see these are designed by us. So, okay, yeah. So we can change the color and font, etc. What each and everything here. So there are 5 blocks here. We press the front button, it will be transmitted to data is sent to the Arduino microcontroller. After that it will be encoded after that it will be encoded by the HT12E encoder. Encoder will send the data to the transmitter. After that, transmitter will transmit the data to the receiver. Okay, receiver side. After that, receiver will receive the data and it will be decoded again. Okay, decoded by the HT12D decoder IC, where you can see this is a decoder. This is a decoder. Okay, after this decoder will be sent to the motor driver L293T motor driver. This motor driver will drive the, according to the given data, it will drive the functionality of that motor, whether it will be run front, whether I'm just owning the power supply, you can see. So let us see the demonstration. Okay, when I press front, the motors are on. Okay, it is transmitting the data. Okay, it is transmitting the data from the MATLAB. When I press back, it is going backwards. Okay, it is up. I just put some some form in between so that I can move it. I can stop it. I can go left. This is a left. I can go right. Okay, this is how it's gonna work. I can go front. So this is how the process is gonna happen. Okay,